It's a 69.
Let it be known, if it's wrong, this guy is to blame. Show your face for the people.
I want to say it's a 69.
He's saying it's a 69. Okay.
I'm going to Google it.
Next up, we got a classic Camaro here. According to Mark, we got a 1969. Oh, it's a 68.
I was right.
Oh, Mark
wait.
was Mark wrong?
Wait.
Mark was wrong.
I said 68.
The taillights are 68.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Man, aren't you the classic car guy?
I said 68.
He said 68. And Mark, the classic car guy, said 69.
What's up, guys? It is Wednesday. Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday, where we take you behind the scenes and show you everything that is happening here. We want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks to all of our loyal customers and viewers that watch this every week. We've been doing this for years. We think it's important to show you the stuff that we're working on. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do us a favor, help us out, do that for us. We're starting here at the Latrobe store, and behind me to my right is Aaron working on a Porsche Cayenne Turbo. This thing is brand new. There's not a mark on it, and we're doing a full paint protection film wrap for our friend John. And then it's getting ceramic coated and the windows tinted. Right beside it is a 911 Carrera S. It's Porsche week here at Blackout. This one's getting a full paint protection film wrap as well. This customer also has another 911 we're going to be doing a full wrap on as soon as this one's done. And we're ceramic coating both of those. Behind this Porsche is my Porsche. This one, it's wrapped in 10 mil, it's ceramic coated, it's tinted. But more importantly, we recently just did an update video on the windshield protection film. We've got UltraFit on there that we're testing. So if you haven't done that yet and you're interested in that product, go check out our update video and see how that's holding up. Right beside it is a GMC Sierra. This is the Duramax Diesel 2500 Denali, and it's getting ceramic coated. Behind my GT4, we've got a Mustang. This is a GT. We're doing paint protection film. That part's already done. And then a ceramic coating as well. Beside it is a Chrysler 300C. We don't see many of these. In fact, I think the only one that we've worked on recently was Dean's. He's our commercial and residential window tint expert. This was his dream car. He bought one. Now we've got another one in here. This one got paint protection film on the whole front end as well as the rocker panels. It's what we call our track package. And now it's here for a ceramic coating. We also tinted the windows on this. And right in front of that is a project that, not something we would do typically, but a really great customer has this thing. So this is a Saturn Sky that he turned into what's called an Aperta, which basically means there's no windshield, no pillars in the front. Ferrari makes some of those from factory, and he is a big Ferrari guy. In fact, he has plenty of them. And this one, he has an LSX in, so it's got to be a rocket to drive. It's extremely loud. Anyhow, we're wrapping it in pink chrome. We don't really do vinyl wraps anymore, but like I say, every once in a while, somebody will ask us to do a project, and we go for it. We've never done a chrome wrap. This stuff is super, super difficult to work with. So we were kind of excited at the chance to give it a shot. We're doing pink chrome on it. Excited to see this when it's done. And back there in the wash bay, we have a giant Ram 2500. This belongs to our friend Dean. We've done a lot of work for Dean over the last few years. We did a motorcycle for him a few years ago and ceramic coating. Anyhow, this one got a full paint protection film wrap and a coating, and it's back for its annual inspection. Speaking of motorcycles, this is got to be one of the best looking paint jobs I've seen on a Harley-Davidson. I'm assuming this is a factory CVO paint job. And this one got polished. Patrick has a couple days in polishing and coating this thing, and it looks incredible. And in the tin bay, Nate is out this week because he just had a baby. So congrats to Nate. He's our lead tinter, been here with us for many years. That leaves Terrell flying solo this week. He's doing a back window on this Kia right now. It was a strip and retint on that window. Starting to bubble up. We didn't tint it originally. I don't know what product was on there. Outside, we've got our loaner vehicle here. This is something I like to mention when it's here. To my knowledge, we are the only shop in the Pittsburgh area that lets you drive around our car for free while we're working on yours. So paint protection film, ceramic coatings, you can borrow this thing, and that way you don't have to be without a car for the week that we have your car. My jet's landing, so I gotta do this really, really quick. Escalade, this one belongs to our good friend Ed. We did lots of paint protection film, window tint, and ceramic coating on this one. And another Escalade right beside it for basically all of the exact same stuff. So the paint protection film, I believe, is done or close to it. And it's next up for a coating. Max's Civic Type R still doesn't have all the paint protection film done. So make sure you comment on this video and let him know that he's slacking and he should finish up his own car. Just kidding, he's really busy. See what's up front. All right, up front we have a Mustang GT. All we got is Porsches and Mustangs this week. This one's getting paint protection film. It just got dropped off not long ago. And beside it is my Gallardo. I don't think this one's made an appearance in a video recently, but I pulled it out of the garage to go for a ride today, so love this car so much. Let's see what's happening in Gibsonia and Miami, and soon we'll be giving you updates from St. Louis too.
What's up, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a tour through the back of our Gibsonia shop. In the back of the shop, we have not one, but two black stealth wraps. This one here is a 2023 Tesla Model S, and for its initial wrap, it's getting a stealth conversion. As you can see, we are going to leave a couple gloss accent pieces here, such as the mirror stocks and the cameras. It's next in line also for some window tint. We're doing all the side windows in the back window in our 20% Prime XR tint. The second stealth wrap that's in the shop is in for its 2-week checkup. This one, just like the Model S, got a primarily stealth wrap with a couple gloss accent pieces. So it's back in the shop now to get some black badging applied along with its 2-week checkup. In the tint bay, we have this 2017 Subaru WRX. This one in for the side window, back window, and full windshield tint. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this 2023 Durango. This one in for the 2 front windows to be tinted along with the windshield visor and a full polish and Fusion Plus 4-year ceramic coating. Our second full wrap of the week is this brand new Range Rover. This went in for a full Ultimate Plus paint protection film wrap, a ceramic coating on the entire outer body, and the 2 front windows and 20% to match the back. Next up, we got a classic Camaro here. According to Mark, we got a 1969. So this one was tinted at Latrobe, and it's back in the Gibsonia shop to get the back window replaced, thanks to Ryan's Auto Glass. And now that the window is out of the vehicle, we'll be tinting it and having Ryan's reinstall that window for us. Up front, we have a completed ceramic coating. This one got the full body 4-year coating through xpel Fusion Plus, along with the 2 front windows and 20% to match the factory tint. And outside, we have a Volkswagen Tiguan. This went in for the 2 front windows to match the back section, along with the back window tinted a lot darker to help with headlights behind the driver as they're driving at night. That is all for this week. We'll see you back here same time next week.
What's up, guys? This is Nate from Blackout Tinting Miami. Let's check out what we've got in the shop this week.
Here we have a 2020 Infiniti QX60. We did paint protection film on the front bumper, a full Fusion Plus ceramic coating, as well as XR Plus ceramic tint on the windshield. Here in the PPF bay, we have a 2023 Chevy Traverse. We're doing a full front clip paint protection film wrap, as well as a wear and tear package.
That's all we got going in the shop this week. If you like what you saw, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let us know how we're doing.
Today, Jason and I are working on this beautiful home up in Gibsonia. Unfortunately, the homeowners had to deal with some flood damage, so we're installing Clearview Plus 70 to protect the new furnishings and hardwood floors from fading and sun damage. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next week.
You're at the wrong store.
I know, right?
This isn't the one you own. What are you doing here?
Everybody thinks I own all of them with you anyway, so. And I don't correct them. It's easier.
It's Justin from Horsepower Obsessed.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Josh already introduced it, so I didn't even need to do that. But here is my Z06. It's getting some more xpel PPF because I'm a little bit obsessed with this stuff. Anyway, check out this video up here and subscribe down here if you haven't. Do it.